welcome back to our channel. If you're new, we're the Crafty Sisters. I'm Lainey.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Emma.
And today, we got our 12 days of discovery, and today we're doing day 10, bathrooms. Whoa! Okay, let me see. That's all of it?
Yep.
Huh. Rain.
The secret ingredients. Let me see, we have baking soda, Epsom salt, cornstarch, and
The other ingredients that you need.
something
so.
acid. And bath bomb glycerin. I don't know how to pronounce that. These are the two ingredients that I could not pronounce. So if you can read them, then you know how to pronounce them.
Okay,
You can look it up. I can't.
First ingredient of
First,
the
what we're
whole
gonna do
thing.
is
Wait, we use this.
move this. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna get the cornstarch, salt,
This is not
and
fun.
the baking soda.
So first this, then this,
You
then
want the
this.
scissors?
Okay, so I'm going to let Emma be putting salt, cornstarch, and baking soda into the bowl. First, I think we put cornstarch. So Emma, pour it in.
Careful, careful. Don't spill it. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm gonna pour one of the packets in.
Okay. We salt, Emma. Last but not least, some
job.
purple stuff.
Let me see what it is.
It's baking soda.
Baking soda. Baking soda is not.
Whoa!
It's
Purple.
purple. What kind of baking soda is purple?
It's edible baking soda, just like that.
Ew.
Now I'm going to mix the three powders together. I think it's all going to turn purple. But who knows? Like a lighter purple because there's a lot of light.
I'm going to use this unpronounceable ingredient and use 5 milliliters of it. Okay, so we added 5 milliliters of that other bottle. Now we're going to add 5 milliliters of essential oil. By the way, this is lavender. Okay, now we're gonna dump it in the powder. Oh, that looks so pretty-ish.
Okay, so now I will be mixing in all the ingredients. Ooh, there's a little ball. And soon we will have our bath bomb.
Now Emma's going to add this acid. Put it in. Good job. Now you just want to mix in the acid. It's smelling like lavender, and it is already the color of lavender. Purple.
Look, I'm gonna smush it.
Impressive. Okay, so I have half of my ball mold from our first day of discovery. If you've seen that video, we kind of forgot the other half, but we're gonna make this work. This is harder than it looks. It's not very hard at all. I'm going to put our bath bomb into the bowl of water. Whoa, the whole thing's turning
down.
purple.
Oh, where's the bath bomb? Right here?
It dissolved.
Oh, where is it? Move
It is now millions.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is how our bath bomb turned out. We hope you liked it, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and put a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!